Hi, I'm Sukesh.
Hi, I'm Vishwajit.
Hello, I am Shahrukh.
Hi, I'm Vismay.
The team Kirakat are here to present our PV Chef at Home.
Having guests at home, were you able to find the ingredients for serving the best dish? Or have you ever thought about making a dish which you ate at a restaurant from home? Were you able to find the ingredients for making that dish?
Whenever you go to a restaurant, you just wanted to make that dish that you ate at the restaurant at your home. And suppose a guest comes to you, you did wanted to try it. So this is a mentality for a lot of people, and they try it out and they do not get the expected taste. So this was a bigger problem that we also faced. And I like cooking very much. So when I tried cooking and I started facing this issue as in the first time. Then, as in I started speaking out with people, we started finding out this was a bigger issue.
We are here to help you with our app platform, where we provide you with a list of variety of dishes from which you can select your favorite dish.
Making an order at Chef at Home, what are you going to get? You're going to get a cook it yourself kit delivered right to your doorstep. It's going to have all the ingredients you need to make your favorite dish. What's more, there is step-by-step tutorial videos made by the top chefs of the country to get your cooking started. Do we provide more options? Yes. You can either have your vegetables in a chopped state or in a raw format. You can also have the entire kit or just a few vegetables or ingredients you need.
We are better off than our competitors as we reduce the effort on cooking with no compromise on taste, quality, health, and hygiene, and provide quick and reliable deliveries of cook-it-yourself kits at your doorstep every day. In this way, we try to get housewives and working professionals as our customers, who comprise a large part of the market, and our early adopters will be housewives.
We are providing them the technology also. Like we are all engineering students, so we're building them the correct technology very user friendly interface. All of us are actually building it, and we are getting it tested at every point of time. So all those things are happening. So at every stage, we'll be there to support.
We try to reduce the effort on cooking authentic dishes with no compromise on taste, quality, health, and hygiene. And we deliver these cook-it-yourself kits at your doorstep itself at a very affordable price. This is the gist of our business model. We have already brought our product to the market. So we started off initially with vegetable combo kits, fruit combo kits, and immunity combo kits. And along with these, through a firm which we have partnered with, they have sold Pongal kits during the Sankranti festival. That is, we actually tested our MVP through them. We have made 618 sales. As of today, we have made 618 sales, out of which 390 are the Pongal combo kits that have been sold.
To promote self-sufficiency, that is Atmanirbharta, we wanted to introduce this farm it yourself kits. So where the people will farm their own vegetables with that, and they will use it, and the remaining excess will be given back to us so that we give it to the other people in the society.
Never to give up. Like if they believe in the idea, it might seem hard. Like initially it might seem everything will seem very exciting. What I say is like be consistent, and keep going on, never give up, and always do your best.
Make sure that you give the best quality to the people. Don't compromise on quality alone. So quality should be our mantra.
Never give up, because this is a very tiring process. You'll not achieve success in just a week or a month. It's a long process. So you need to be able to have the patience to go for it. We need to be really honest. Whatever we have done till now, whatever we have researched, we need to present it to them in a proper way such that they understand. Like we need to kind of try to understand their thought process and tune in with that. So what we want to say will be better sent out. So we should be honest, and also we should be very strong on the facts and the stats. So without proper research, it is not good to go to the investor, because we need to show them that we are worth getting their investment. So we need to impress them also. So we need to get our facts and our stats right.
We could easily expand to major cities in India, as we require a very low investment and we would create an efficient supply chain system. And we would also employ women from self-help groups for packing and chopping of vegetables by creating a self-reliance for them too. With this moment, we aim to expand to all the major cities in India and revolutionize the field of cooking for people.